Beautiful and durable wooden kitchen islands are increasingly becoming a centerpiece in modern interior design, embodying both functionality and aesthetic appeal that enhances the overall atmosphere of the home. These islands serve as versatile workspaces, gathering spots, and stylish focal points, reflecting the homeowner's taste while elevating the kitchen's functionality. The charm of a wooden kitchen island lies in its ability to blend seamlessly with various design styles, from rustic farmhouse to sleek contemporary. The natural warmth of wood adds an inviting touch to the kitchen, creating a cozy ambience that invites family and friends to gather. This aspect is particularly important in today's open-concept living spaces, where the kitchen often acts as the heart of the home. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden kitchen islands design ideas and for modern interior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When considering design ideas for wooden kitchen islands, the choice of wood species plays a crucial role in determining both the visual impact and durability of the piece. Hardwoods such as oak, maple, and walnut are popular choices due to their strength and resistance to wear over time, ensuring that the island can withstand the rigors of daily use. The rich grain patterns and varied colors of these woods can enhance the aesthetic appeal, allowing homeowners to select finishes that complement their existing cabinetry and decor. A natural or lightly stained finish can accentuate the wood's inherent beauty, while darker stains can lend a more sophisticated, modern look. Additionally, incorporating mixed materials, such as combining wood with metal or stone, can further elevate the design, introducing contrasting textures that create visual interest and depth. For instance, a wooden island topped with a sleek granite or quartz surface can provide a striking juxtaposition, merging the warmth of wood with the cool elegance of stone. Functionality is another key consideration in designing wooden kitchen islands. Many homeowners are now integrating features such as built-in storage, seating, and appliances to maximize the utility of their islands. This multifunctional approach allows the kitchen island to serve as a hub for food preparation, dining, and socializing. Incorporating cabinets or open shelving into the island design provides essential storage for kitchen essentials, while adding bar stools or a built-in breakfast nook creates a casual dining area that encourages family interaction. Furthermore, integrating appliances like wine coolers, microwaves, or cooktops can enhance the island's functionality, making it an indispensable part of the kitchen workflow. This thoughtful design not only improves efficiency, but also contributes to a more organized and aesthetically pleasing space. In modern interior design, the incorporation of technology into wooden kitchen islands is also gaining traction. Smart home technology can be seamlessly integrated into the design, allowing for features such as built-in charging stations, smart lighting, or touch-sensitive controls for appliances. This integration not only adds a contemporary touch, but also enhances the overall user experience, making the kitchen more adaptable to the fast-paced lifestyles of today's homeowners. The combination of traditional wooden craftsmanship with modern technology exemplifies the evolution of kitchen design, showcasing how functionality and style can coexist harmoniously. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the sustainability of wooden kitchen islands adds another layer of appeal, particularly as consumers become more environmentally conscious. Choosing sustainably sourced wood or reclaimed materials for construction not only enhances the durability of the island, but also aligns with a growing commitment to eco-friendly practices in home design. Homeowners can take pride in knowing that their choices contribute to a healthier planet while enjoying the timeless beauty of natural wood. The aesthetic appeal of reclaimed wood, with its unique character and history, can create stunning focal points in modern kitchens that tell a story and evoke a sense of nostalgia. The impact of beautiful and durable wooden kitchen islands extends beyond mere aesthetics. They can significantly influence the overall atmosphere of the home. An island acts as a gathering place for family and friends, fostering connections and creating lasting memories. The kitchen, often referred to as the heart of the home, benefits from the presence of a well-designed island that encourages interaction and collaboration in meal preparation and dining experiences. This social aspect enhances the kitchen's role as a multifunctional space where cooking, eating, and entertaining all converge. As families increasingly seek ways to reconnect in today's fast-paced world, a wooden kitchen island can become a symbol of togetherness, providing a welcoming environment for shared moments. In terms of maintenance, wooden kitchen islands also offer advantages that contribute to their longevity. With proper care and regular sealing or refinishing, wooden surfaces can withstand the wear and tear of daily use while retaining their beauty. The natural properties of wood, such as its ability to resist bacteria and odors, make it an ideal choice for kitchen environments. Homeowners can easily maintain the cleanliness and hygiene of their islands, ensuring they remain both functional and visually appealing over time. This durability, combined with the timeless beauty of wood, makes wooden kitchen islands a worthwhile investment in any modern interior. As design trends continue to evolve, the versatility of wooden kitchen islands allows for endless possibilities in customization. Homeowners can work with skilled artisans or designers to create unique pieces that reflect their personal style and meet their specific needs. Whether opting for a rustic farmhouse island with distressed finishes or a sleek, contemporary design with clean lines, the customization potential is vast. This individuality not only enhances the kitchen's aesthetic, but also ensures that the island becomes a true reflection of the homeowner's personality and lifestyle. In conclusion, beautiful and durable wooden kitchen islands play a pivotal role in modern interior design, merging functionality, style, and sustainability into one cohesive element. Their ability to serve as stylish focal points while enhancing the kitchen's functionality makes them essential in contemporary homes. With thoughtful design choices, including wood selection, features, and technology integration, homeowners can create islands that not only elevate their kitchen aesthetics, but also foster connections and memories. The enduring appeal of wooden kitchen islands lies in their capacity to adapt to various design styles and changing lifestyles, making them a timeless addition to any modern home. As the heart of the home continues to evolve, the wooden kitchen island stands as a testament to the beauty of craftsmanship, the warmth of natural materials, and the importance of creating inviting spaces for family and friends to gather. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden kitchen islands design ideas and for modern interior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.